Hello YouTube. 2019 Royal Enfield Continental GT 650. Had it for a week. Can't leave well enough alone, so the first thing I'm going to do is replace the air filter. Pick this up on Amazon. Link will be in the description. Should be about a 5-minute job. Real simple. Just walk through what needs to be done. This is the filter. You take it out. Comes pre-oiled, so no worries there. Simple install. Looks like they've provided some stickers. Yep, DNA. So, pretty straightforward. Cold start. See what it sounds like before. One screw needs to come out, metric, obviously. 3 screws need to be removed from the air filter cover. Looks like they're Phillips head. They'll come off easy. Okay, this is what the stock air filter looks like. Paper-based. Pretty easy to take out. Compare the two of them. And it goes. Post filter install, new filters in.